3 days after the video of these 4 Dalit men being brutally thrashed in Gujarat went viral, the issue continues to rock Union Parliament. In fact, the ill-timed and most atrocious remark by a BJP office-bearer against Mayawati, seen as a Dalit icon, has put Dalit politics firmly at the centre stage. A full-blown political war has erupted, with every party looking to make the most of the issue. After all, it touches the most undivided vote bank and can't be lost sight of before crucial state assembly elections, and therefore too, a united opposition cornered the government over Gaurakshat flogging Dalits in Una for skinning a cow carcass, and for the unparliamentary remark against possibly the tallest living Dalit leader, Mayawati. If Una erupted house on Monday, demolition of Ambedkar Bhavan rocked Parliament on Tuesday, and a personal attack against Mayawati stalled proceedings on Wednesday. And the fire is far from being doused even on Thursday, as both houses wrapped proceedings. Clearly, Maya is not just a rallying factor for Dalit issues in Parliament right now, but she senses a big political opportunity to once again claim that vote bank. And so, in a big show of strength for BSP in Lucknow today, party workers were out in full force on the streets seeking immediate arrest of Dayashankar Singh, the BJP MLA who is at large.
उसने अपनी बेटी के बारे में बोला है, जो लोग मुझे नहीं बता रहे, अपनी बहन के बारे में बोला है, और ये जो उसने शब्द का इस्तेमाल किया है, तो पूरा देश मेरे ख्याल बीजेपी को कभी माफ नहीं करेगा.
But it's not just the BSP. Almost all political parties want to cash in on the Dalit outrage. With Rahul Gandhi, who was caught napping in the house yesterday, meeting victims in Una and promising all support, including an alternate livelihood from the present one in tanneries.
जिन शब्दों का प्रयोग किया गया, मैं उसे दोबारा रिपीट भी नहीं कर सकता आप लोगों के सामने. हमने तो मांग की है कि निलंबन, निंदा केवल नहीं, लेकिन कानूनी कार्रवाई उस व्यक्ति के विरुद्ध होनी चाहिए.
गृह मंत्री जी, मैं आपसे आज पूछना चाहूंगा, किस संगठन के खिलाफ आपने कार्रवाई करी? देश के अलग अलग हिस्सों में ये कौन संगठन है? अगर आप कार्रवाई नहीं करते हैं इन संगठनों के खिलाफ जिन्होंने एक दहशत का माहौल फैला दिया है.
If the conviction rate has dropped, if the pendency rate is actually 5%, less than 5% of actually the cases that are being tried in the courts, what is it? 3%, is it? My colleague corrects me, everybody, that it's only 3%. If that is the case, sir, what is the action that the government proposes?
For a government that has just about recovered from the Rohit Vemula controversy and has inducted 5 Dalit ministers in the recent reshuffle, the issue can't be more ill-timed. It has given a fresh lease of life and a rallying point to the opposition, because if it was communal politics before, it is Dalit politics that is stalling proceedings and threatens to hijack crucial legislation. Gauri Dwivedi, ET Now, New Delhi.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.